2026 Toyota RAV4 is here, and it's ready to shake up the compact SUV segment with fresh styling, upgraded tech, and even better performance. Whether you're a city commuter, weekend warrior, or adventure seeker, this latest RAV4 has something for everyone. Let's start by taking a close look at the exterior. The 2026 RAV4 brings a sharper, more aerodynamic design with a bold new front fascia, sleeker LED headlamps, and a redesigned grille that now matches the modern, rugged look seen across Toyota's SUV lineup. The lines are cleaner, the stance is more athletic, and there's a strong emphasis on functionality with updated roof rails, restyled bumpers, and optional 19-inch alloy wheels. Toyota also introduced new color options for 2026, including an eye-catching cobalt gray metallic and a rugged forest trail green, which really emphasize its adventurous side. As we step inside, the RAV4 continues to impress. Toyota has focused on creating a more premium and user-friendly cabin. Soft touch materials are used more generously across the dash and door panels, and higher trims now include genuine leather seats and ambient LED lighting. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen with the latest Toyota Audio multimedia system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster has also been upgraded, offering customizable displays for navigation, media, and safety alerts. The cabin is quieter too, thanks to improved insulation and acoustic glass, making long drives much more relaxing. In terms of space, the RAV4 remains one of the most practical options in its class. There's ample legroom in both rows, and the rear seats recline for added comfort. Cargo space is generous with over 69 cubic feet of room when the rear seats are folded down. Toyota also added clever storage options throughout the cabin, including a hidden compartment beneath the cargo floor. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 is available with a few powertrain options. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that offers smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. It's efficient too, with an estimated 30 mpg combined. But for those looking for more power and eco-conscious driving, the RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid options are where things get exciting. The RAV4 Hybrid churns out 219 horsepower and offers incredible fuel economy, up to 41 mWh. Meanwhile, the RAV4 Prime brings a combined 302 horsepower with all-wheel drive as standard and up to 42 miles of all-electric range. On the road, the RAV4 feels more composed than ever. The suspension has been tuned for a better balance between comfort and handling, and there's a noticeable improvement in steering feedback. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the RAV4 delivers a confident and smooth ride. The available multi-terrain select system on AWD models allows drivers to choose drive modes for mud, sand, snow, and rock, making it more capable than you'd expect from a compact crossover. As for safety, Toyota includes its latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard. That means you get adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, all without needing to jump up to a higher trim. Now let's talk about pricing. The base LE trim starts around $30,000, making it competitively priced among its rivals. The XLE and XSE trims, which offer more features and upgraded styling, fall in the $33,000 to $37,000 range. If you want the full hybrid experience, the RAV4 Hybrid starts near $34,000, while the RAV4 Prime, with its plug-in capability and premium equipment, tops out close to $48,000 for the fully loaded XSE Premium. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to set the benchmark for compact SUVs. With stylish updates, advanced tech, impressive fuel efficiency, and a versatile interior, it's a vehicle that meets the demands of today's drivers, and then some. If you're looking for a daily driver that can do it all, from school runs and road trips to light off-roading and eco-conscious commuting, the 2026 RAV4 is absolutely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.